Okay, yeah. I'm traveling and I'm traveling with a new smartphone. This is a new foldable smartphone, another clamshell, and this one only costs 600 US dollars. Yeah, when I've heard the price, I was like a bit skeptical. How good can this be? But after I have used this one, I mean the TECNO PHANTOM V Flip for a few days, I can say only one thing. Kudos to TECNO. After I have got to know that TECNO is going to release a clamshell foldable with a budget price tag, I have told my team to ask TECNO to send us a review unit, but yeah, they were reluctant to give me a review unit cause I have a reputation of not following brands or PR companies' review guidelines. I always do honest review videos where I share all the truths. I don't just read through the provided review guideline. If I feel it's bad, I say it's bad. If I feel it's good, I say it's good. Anyway, after my team has contacted with a lot of different people in TECNO, TECNO has finally given us a review unit last week. And yeah, today I'm gonna share all the details that you need to know about this Phantom V Flip. Let's start from unboxing, but before that, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, I know outlook and appearance is subjective. Different type of people prefer different type of design. Personally, I like the design of this Phantom V Flip. The circular covered display, the camera sensors in that round block, the ring LED light. Altogether, this is definitely a unique design. Oh yeah, TECNO has used Gorilla Glass Victus to protect the covered display. Oops, I didn't expect that. I thought TECNO would use Gorilla Glass 5. As TECNO has used aluminium and stainless steel to manufacture this Phantom V Flip, in hand it feels premium. Even more premium than Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and Vivo X Flip. TECNO has sent me this Mystic Dawn edition. It's a two-tone design. I don't know how to express. It looks more like somewhere in between blue and violet. Anyway, whatever the colors are, I like the blend. The vegan leather, which is actually a well-processed plastic, also provides premium feel while held in hand. On top of everything, wow, that little vanity plate with V printed on it gives it a much more posh and elegant vibe. I like the button placement. All the buttons are on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. There are two microphones, one on top and one at the bottom. There is a USB-C port at the bottom alongside the bottom firing loudspeaker. The hinge of this budget clamshell foldable TECNO Phantom V Flip is really way better than Motorola's foldable phones. It may not be as sturdy as Samsung's Z Flip 5, but TECNO has definitely tried their best. When folding or unfolding the phone, you will feel the friction of every single moving parts inside. It's so very satisfying. More importantly, the phone supports a very wide range of postures. The hinge supports 25° to 160° angle, which is almost as good as Z Flip 5. Brands like Honor need to learn. My Honor Magic V2 won't even stay on a 75° or 115° angle. Ouch. Sorry, Honor. I believe in truth be told. Okay, Phantom V Flip shuts flat, it supports various postures, then it means it has a perfect hinge, right? No. When it's unfolded, if you shake your hand a bit, the phone's upper part jerks like a flap of a broken wing blade. The hinge never gets locked on a fully unfolded state, and the hinge cannot get to 180°. It's always somewhere in between 172 to 175°. something similar to Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. The external 1.32-inch covered display of TECNO PHANTOM V Flip is there to provide us notification info. Let us be aware of what time it is and how is the weather. Oh yeah, we can take selfies using the covered display as a viewfinder, and we can use a few other widgets. That's it. Pretty simple yet super elegant. It may not be a very effective covered display panel, but it definitely is a part of the design language of the phone. TECNO has generated some nice animations and watch faces for this covered display, which helps the phone to have a stylish outlook. I wanted to say clever design and intelligent integration, but wait, don't I have another phone with this same type of display panel? Yeah, Cubot King Kong 9. Oh no, it feels like a clever copy. Phantom V Flip's AMOLED panel with 352 ppi density can reproduce natural colors, but there is a very bad banding going on. I'm not sure is it a hardware or a software issue, but truly I don't like this banding issue. Okay, the crease is way better than Motorola's Razr series foldable smartphones. You will need to run your fingers through the center line to feel it, as the crease is not that visible. However, I am slightly disappointed with the display panel. TECNO has used a 1080p panel, 1080 by 2640 resolution, 413 ppi density, very high peak brightness, LTPO AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate. Everything sounds like a perfect display panel. But the truth is, color calibration isn't as great as other flagships. Oh, okay, this isn't a flagship, this is a budget clamshell foldable device, an entry-level foldable. Truly, considering the price, I feel it's a very good display panel. All the necessary features are there, like dark mode, eye care, ultra touch, everything works perfectly fine. Talking about the speaker, well, TECNO PHANTOM V Flip comes with a stereo speaker setup. TECNO has used the earpiece as the second speaker, but truly the bulk of the task is done by the bottom-firing loudspeaker. I will let you enjoy some music. You check by yourself. I think the sound quality of TECNO PHANTOM V Flip is really better than many other mid-range devices.
She's an itty-bitty spider with a itty-bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets...
Samsung Bright GW1 64-megapixel sensor is in no way a flagship class sensor, and TECNO has used it as the main sensor of PHANTOM V Flip. There is a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor which offers ordinary performance, and there is a 32-megapixel selfie sensor sitting inside the main display panel. Okay, let's check some photos that I have taken side by side with Xiaomi 13T and PHANTOM V Flip. I hope Xiaomi and other brands will learn from TECNO. Cause truly, look at these photos. TECNO has managed to extract the best from an average sensor. I'm surprised. What do you think? Which camera has performed better? Definitely TECNO PHANTOM V Flip has outperformed Xiaomi 13T. I always care about DCGB, display, camera, gaming and battery. As we have already talked about D and C, let's talk about G and B. Gaming on a clamshell foldable? That's one of the things that I really don't like to do. But well, my girlfriend Thea has enjoyed playing games on TECNO PHANTOM V Flip. PHANTOM V Flip is equipped with a Dimensity 8050, a 6nm SoC, a mid-range SoC which gets around 780,000 in Antutu version 10, so yeah, it's a capable SoC. It offers a delightful in-game experience, very fluid, battery smooth. Definitely yes. You will be able to play graphics-intensive games and the phone doesn't even generate any heat. So yeah, we haven't noticed any heavy thermal throttling. TECNO offers a 45-watt charger inside the box, so yeah, that's an advantage cause we need to buy a charger for our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Okay, if you really wanna buy a charging brick, then I would recommend you to buy a Spigen charger because Spigen offers a very fast charging speed and at the same time protects all the devices that is gonna get charged through the charger. Anyway, PHANTOM V Flip doesn't support wireless charging, it supports 45-watt wired charging. It takes around 42 minutes to get fully charged and I have managed to squeeze up to 6 hours of screen on time with 120Hz refresh rate. Android 13 out of the box and at least 2 years of major Android update, so it's almost future-proof. iOS of TECNO is a very good Android skin, but there are room for improvement, especially in arrangement and ease of access to some features and functions. Okay, if you'd like to expand your RAM, as the smartphone comes with 8GB of onboard RAM, you can extend it up to 8GB so that you will have access to 16GB of total RAM. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. Yeah, once the fingerprint is registered, then the phone gets unlocked within a fraction of a second. And there is a 2D face unlock option available. If you want, you can use face unlock using both the external main sensor and the internal selfie sensor. That's all. Yeah, my girlfriend Thea loves it a lot and I hope TECNO will provide me a black colored edition as Thea has taken away my Mystic Dawn. I'd love to use a TECNO PHANTOM V Flip as my daily drive. But I heavily doubt that TECNO will send me another as I have shared the truth in this video. I haven't even read their reviewer's guide. I am here to share the truth cause I believe in truth be told. Anyway, if TECNO doesn't offer me the black edition, then I will use Thea's Oppo Find N3 Flip. Well, if you are looking for a budget clamshell foldable phone, then I think TECNO PHANTOM V Flip is the best choice. It is the best device to start your journey towards the foldable world. It's cheap, it performs beyond its price tag, and yeah, more importantly, it has a very sturdy build quality along with premium appearance. Well, I would like to know what you think about this TECNO PHANTOM V Flip. Please don't forget to make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas about the device. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Why want you to listen? Why want you to listen? Why want you to listen? Why want you to listen?